Our economy has long been driven by production and consumption, with little regard for reuse and circularity. But if we want to make our environment more sustainable, this absolutely needs to change. Fortunately, this transition is already underway. I firmly believe it can move faster though. At Capture, we strongly believe in the power of knowledge. That's why we foster collaboration, both among researchers and between researchers and businesses, to accelerate the development of new insights and solutions. Our work focuses on 3 key themes: CO2 to product, plastics to resource, and water fit for use. We actively share the outcomes of our research with partners through seminars, training sessions, and workshops. While building knowledge is essential, sharing it is equally important. This ensures that our partners can apply these insights immediately and make a real impact. Like Smart Data Resources, we are committed to connecting stakeholders and supporting them in the resource recovery transition. Our collaboration with and within SDR is therefore a logical step towards achieving our mutual goals. Meanwhile, more and more companies are joining and becoming part of the movement we have initiated. That gives me hope for every step we continue to take together in our region.